Hey, good morning everyone. So today I have a little video which it's a bit educational. So are you planning for a solo ride from Singapore to Thailand? Look, if I can do it, so can you. And these are the things that I wish someone had told me before my trip. And in doing so, I hope that this information makes your trip much safer, much smoother, and a lot more fun. Okay, so first up is insurance. It's very important. Insurance, documents, necessary paperwork. So I bought my Thai insurance from a company in JB. It cost me around 250 ringgit, inclusive of the TM2 forms. And yeah, the reason that I bought it in JB beforehand is I didn't want to waste time and wait at the just before entering the Thai border on the day itself of the journey. So that's why I did that. And the next one will be your travel insurance. I bought my travel insurance from a company of my choice. You can do so with your own choice. And the next one will be your vehicle registration. I got mine from LTA, which is in Singapore, the governing body. I did an online booking for the certified true copy of the vehicle registration, in short, logcard. So I had to pay around $32 plus along there. So some people might say you can just go to the website and print, but this is how I did it. I went to the LTA website, I did an appointment, and then I went to the place and got the certified true copy with stamp and signature. So then this is additional step which I did. I got the international driving permit from Automobile Association of Singapore, and that cost me, is actually just $20. You can just go online and do it. Delivery is $5, so total is $25. This is just a play safe for me, just in case I get stopped over. They want to see, they want to whatever lah, they want to probe you or anything. So yeah, that sums it up for the paperwork, insurance, and necessary documents. Next, I will talk about connectivity, which is the mobile data, which is in this age very important. You need it for your maps, your socials, to contact people, WhatsApp and whatever. So I thought about getting a SIM card, but at the same time I went to online shops and I saw eSIM. I've never tried it before, but apparently upon trying it, it's very easy, very simple, hassle-free, very convenient. So I got my eSIM from Shopee. I have the link below in the description, and you guys can go and click that and go and buy from there. It's very straightforward, but your phone need to have that ability to add the eSIM. So yeah, I didn't manage to use the actual SIM card, but eSIM is definitely a very convenient way of doing it. It costs about around $7-8, and I got mine for 7 days, unlimited data, and surprisingly it was at 5G. So you will need this connectivity, especially if you're going in from in my case, going in from Betong heading up to Yala and Patani, you won't get connectivity if you are using your phone roaming. Everything will be blocked out, so you need to use their own line. So the company, the telco that I used was DTAC, and yeah, you can check out the link. You can purchase it from the link that is in the description. So that is for connectivity. Okay, next up will be prepping your bike, things that you bring along for your bike and before you go for your bike. What I brought was tire repair kit, portable pump, which is the one I got at Shopee also. These two things I got at Shopee. I might have them in the description later also. Make sure you check your tire wear indicator, see whether your tires are okay. Make sure you had your servicing done, your engine oil, gear oil. Like for me, scooter engine oil, gear oil is still fairly new, so I didn't have my CVT check. But if yours for quite some time, then you need to go and have all those checks lah. Best is you go to your reputable mechanic and just let them know that you'll be doing a long trip up north, and they will definitely know what to do lah. Yeah, so additionally, you could also grab a disc lock with alarm, which I got, and some basic tools, cable tie, and oh yeah, if you're planning to ride at night, have fog lights installed. You know, you will need them for me, I travel at night only at North-South Highway. North-South Highway, there are certain parts where there are totally no lights, no lamps, no road lamps. So you want to have these lights just to see what's ahead. You know, it's not like you just want to keep it on all the way. It's not like that. You do not want to use it when there's vehicles nearby, like vehicles in front of you, or on the opposite side. If there's a lot of vehicles, do not use it, because if there's vehicles near you, there are lights, so you can see the road. But if there are totally no vehicles, then you need to on this fog light for you to see what's ahead, so you are safe lah, right? That's about it for your bike prep. And next will be payments and money management. For payments, I have a few things. I have U-Trip. U-Trip, I just top up a certain amount. Is for my fuel purchases, so I can keep track of the purchases lah. You can also use U-Trip for hotel bookings. And next one will be debit card, your own debit card. For me, my debit card I use for hotel purchase, you know, from Agoda. And yeah, also keep a touch and go card for me. This is what I did lah personally. I keep a touch and go card with just a small value in it. I had 30 ringgit in the touch and go, just in case, you know, I need to use it for parking and, you know, whatever, just for convenience. But I didn't use it lah along the journey. Also cash. Have cash ready. You know, have something for your food, for your souvenirs. Yeah, that is for payments and money management. Okay, now we're gonna talk about crossing the Thai border. Okay, crossing the Thai border, entering and leaving. So when you enter, you need to take note of these two offices, the Thai Immigration Office and the Thai Customs Office. At the Thai Immigration Office, you need to give your passport, your TM2 forms, TM3 forms. Make sure you give all your forms, and they will just return you one set of form. Yeah, make sure it's chopped. You have the immigration chop. Next, you go to the custom office. You have your you need to give your you need to give your passport and your log card. And then from there they will print out for you a temporary Thai log card, and then you will be on your journey. So when you leave Thailand, it's the same way. You go through the Thai immigration first, you return your TM2, TM3 forms, you get your passport chop. After that, you proceed to the Thai customs office, and at the Thai customs office, you return your temporary log card. Please do not misplace any of these documents. If not, then you'll be fined and a lot of problems lah, right? And so also get ready, standby about 10 to 20 pieces of 1 ringgit. So for the overtime fees, okay, this is something legit. It's not any under table things or like that, you know. So yeah, with this information, it's gonna be smooth. This is what I did, and it was, yeah, straightforward. So following will be packing light. Okay, what I did, I packed very light. I had just that one set of riding gear, and one set of sleeping attire, and I had another Bermudas for me to go out during the night, or once I reach my hotel. I have slippers, Crocs, undergarments, socks based on how many nights you're gonna be out. So yeah, pack light. You don't wanna have a lot of hassle, and you don't wanna bog down your motorcycle, you know. Just pack light, because if you wanna get clothes, you wanna buy souvenirs. Like for me, when I went there, I bought souvenirs, so I just wore whatever I bought, you know. So yeah, pack light. Okay, this next one is important. What I did was I plot my waypoints for both northbound and southbound. Waypoints meaning your rest points, your RNR, your like in Malaysia will be RNR. For me, I use I mean anything like use Petron, Shell, Petronas, whatever. And at Thailand, I specifically use PTT, because PTT is very convenient. You will have your 7-Eleven over there, and you will have Amazon Cafe if you want to have coffee, breakfast, you know. Also plan your scenic locations, your viewpoints, places that you want to go, places of interest, you know. And this includes research, like your hotels. Okay, you want to book hotels where they are motorcycle friendly, you have gated parking, you know, things like that. And yeah, check the reviews and stuff. So you will be good to go for the planning and planning part. Planning is very important lah. Please do a lot of planning, a lot of research. What I did was I shuffled through a lot of YouTube videos. You know, a lot of our YouTubers giving a lot of information. Use that to your advantage. And following that is your fueling considerations. Fueling considerations will be like what fuel am I supposed to pump, you know. At Malaysia, you as a foreigner, you pump 97, which is the green one. Yeah, so in Thailand, I go for the orange one, Gasohol 95. That is for PTT Thailand, all the petrol stations in Thailand. Specifically PTT lah for me, you know. I only pump Gasahol 95, the orange one. And you can go and do your own research about your motorcycle specifications, the mixture of ethanol or whatever. But Gasahol 95 in Thailand, green 97 in Malaysia. This is for fuel considerations. Okay, this final part will be about quality of life tips lah. Okay, namely things like my hydration electrolytes, you know, those kind of one tube inside got 20 tablets. One tablet will you can use for 500 ml of water. You just have another, I have this collapsible water bottle of 500 ml. I just fill up and then I put one tablet in. Every time I stop, every time I rest, I take a few gulps, a few sips, and then I, you know, drink a lot of plain water. Along the journey, I never eat. You know, when I'm on the journey, I do not eat. Once I reach my destination, I will have food. You know, every time I reach destination, I eat 2 times. Then what else? Let me see. Okay, so I brought Panadol Extra. This is for the body aches that you encounter. You know, I only use it at the really last minute where my body is really aching. I will just take the Panadol Extra lah to relieve the pains that I have. And then bring sweets, chocolates, you know, for those low blood sugar moments I tend to have. But thankfully on that trip I didn't have any of that things lah. Most importantly, expect the unexpected, you know, sudden downpours or uneven roads or, you know, accidents or whatever. Yeah. And yeah, be flexible with your journey. Be flexible with your plans. You know, things like hotel changes. For me, I didn't encounter that, but I did encounter where the petrol station was closed. But for me, it wasn't an issue because I did a lot of stops and I didn't let my fuel go below half, you know. Maybe it's just the reason because I'm going alone, you know. I just don't want to get caught up in these kind of things. So yeah, things like that happen, and when it does, just go along with it. Okay, most importantly, you want to have that mindset where I have to go through with it. I have to clear this. You know, mentally you must be there. Physically will come along, but the main one is in your mental lah. So I want to end this with saying that solo rides can be very challenging. It is very challenging. It was for me. Respect the road, respect whichever country you're in, respect their culture, their people. Carry yourself accordingly. Most importantly, enjoy your journey. If you find this useful, drop a like. And if you got tips of your own, leave them in the comments. You know, anything you want to ask, you can go to the comments. And yeah, finally subscribe. You know, it helps me, motivates me. And I want to say thank you so much for all the overwhelming support, your likes, your comments. A lot of subscribers coming in, a lot of new people, a lot of new audience. Thank you guys. Hopefully see you guys on the road and see you on the next journey. Bye bye.